G'day guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another vid, and today we're showing some of the stuff we've 3D printed on the Ender 3 V2. So two things aren't Star Wars. We've got one test print, one cup, and then the rest is Star Wars. We hope you enjoy this video and stay tuned for more. So guys, this is my little brothers. It's the Razor Crest from the Mandalorian. Yeah, we've painted it a darker grey because that's how it is in the shirt. My little brother's done the windows with a Sharpie. But yeah, it's pretty cool. This took like a day and a half to print, guys. So I'm just warning you, if you want to print this, it takes a very long time. So that's that. Now, on to the next print. So guys, this is mine. This took a very similar time to the Razor Crest, but this is an Imperial class Type 1 Star Destroyer. Yeah, this one took about a day and a half, just like the Razor Crest. It's the engines, they still need to be painted. But yeah, pretty cool. Underneath it has a hanger bay. Actually, there's two hanger bays. Very detailed, these models that the printer makes. Yeah, on to the next one. Hey guys, so we printed these. Two of them are mine, which one of them we just finished printing, and the other one's my brother's. We're still yet to print him another one. But they're, as you guessed, Lego Han Solo and Carbonite. They're very cool as well. And this only took about an hour to print. Yeah, pretty cool. Okay guys, so this is the test print that comes with the Ender 3 V2. There's also a dog, but that one wouldn't work for some reason. Yeah, but this is the cat test print. This was very good. We did print another one for my little brother, but you don't really need to see that because it's the same. But yeah, pretty cool. Okay guys, the last one that we've done is the Metallica mug. Now we made it a bit too small and it's kind of on an angle, so I'll just use it for these tools, what came with the printer. Yeah, and that's inside. This took a long time to print, but not as long as the Star Destroyer. Yeah, there we go guys. So guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. There'll be more to come of 3D printing, so we hope you have a good day and goodbye.